Oh, today is the 12th of August. Solar eclipse is meant to be happening. About 94%, I think it is, 94% coverage. So unfortunately we don't get a full 100% in the UK. But we are going to go for a little ride to Flamborough to get a good view of the solar eclipse. I've never seen one in person before, so I'm really curious to see what actually happens, because I don't think UK ever really gets a good solar eclipse. Oh, yeah, you get back there, buddy. Bike's still making a little ticking noise. Well, I won't say it's little, it's a lot. But you know, I've gone past caring. I told myself if the bike doesn't blow up by the time I lose my license, then I'll probably just end up taking it apart and actually learning how to rebuild an engine myself. Because there's multiple times I said I'll take the engine myself and then got someone else to do it, just so I can keep riding. But yeah, if we end up losing our license, then there'll be a full rebuild on this bike. I mean, like, every detail will be recorded, showing me learning. It's a very hot day in the UK right now. We're getting 25 degrees, I think it is right now today. Tomorrow is 33 degrees, and I've got an interview for work, for a job. I've got an interview for a job tomorrow, and it's about a 40-minute drive away, and it's going to be very hot towards the Midlands, because obviously on the coast it's a bit cooler. So I'm excited for that ride. I'm definitely going to record, and we're going to try out the Ace 2 Pro camera from Insta360, since my mate has one of those, and I really want to try it out because it can show up into 8K quality. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've done a wider POV for this video with no stabilization. I just want to get a feel for it to see what you guys think. If you guys like this camera setting, I'll keep it on in future. It'll make me look faster, and it should make it look a bit more cinematic. But let me know what you guys think, because I don't want it to be, you know, hurt your eyes or hurt your head too much. Oh, it's going to be a very busy day as well. I wonder how many people are going to be in Flamborough. I feel like a lot of people are going to go down this area for a solar eclipse. But I'm very into my astronomy. I really love space. I love the universe. I love how everything works. So hopefully this is going to be a good one. I thought that was Feds then. I was like, what's Feds doing up my ass already? This is my first time on a bike in like a few days. It's just, and it feels good again to be back on the bike. I've been traveling a lot though, because I've gone to Carrick, I've gone to Pickering, I've gone to a lot of places recently, and the bike hasn't blown up yet. Oh, mine just gone. No, it hasn't made any difference in sound. So I really just don't understand what could be causing that ticking noise. Oh, I'm sweating just being on the bike right now though. Like, all I've got is a t-shirt and hoodie on, and I'm sweating. I always wear my 2 pairs of trousers just to keep extra safe when I'm not wearing full gear. My visor's so dirty, I kind of want to keep it up. Yeah, right next to my house, I had a guy get murdered. Like, literally on the same, almost the same street I live on. You have my street and then you have a street next to it. Someone was murdered on that side of the street for some reason. I think there was a massive argument or whatever, and I believe the person who did the murder was actually a guy working at a takeaway shop in front of my house. So not scary at all, because I literally leave my house unlocked all the time. You guys don't know where I live, so obviously it should be fine telling you that. But just from now on, I'll be locking up my house at all times, just to be safe. Don't pull out. Oh, the other day I almost got hit by an ambulance. Literally, I'm cruising, doing the speed limit as always. It generally was, and I see this ambulance come towards the junction slowly, and he's not stopping. But I thought, you know, it'll go really slow, and then eventually, as I'm passing, he pulls out, and I'm kidding you not, it's just so close to hitting me, like an ambulance almost hitting me. Well, like 10 out of 10 service, you know. As soon as you crash, you got an ambulance right there for you. Oh, we are taking it nice and slow though, but I do want to take it slow. Oh, I'm thirsty. I might stop at a shop before we go and see the solar eclipse. I try to get the best footage I can. I am going to use my phone. Obviously they do say it's going to damage your camera, but I like to risk it. And there's not a single cloud in the sky. This is very rare for the UK. Like, oh, this is perfect for conditions to see a solar eclipse. What would be awesome though is to be on an aeroplane. For those who are going to be on an aeroplane during the solar eclipse, you have one lucky motherfuckers. Yesterday I was also teaching my lovely girlfriend how to ride a motorbike, and she actually did really well. I'm surprised. I generally didn't think she'd do as well. Her clutch control was perfect. She just didn't really have the balls to put throttle on too much, because, you know, I don't blame her as well. She managed to clutch all the way. She had like maybe throttle to about 2k RPMs, but hey, that's a start. and then tomorrow we'll have further lessons as well. And if she does well with that, I'm gonna book her a CBT. So then at least she gets a motorbike license. Because she's doing her car license this month. She's doing her driving test. But if she fails that, then obviously a CBT can come as backup. And I don't mind her having my motorbike, since my CBT is running out this month as well at the end. And if I don't renew it, then she can obviously use this until I'm obviously unbanned, which would be quite a while. Unfortunately, it is a little bit windy, but what can you do, you know? And with the jigsaw rebuild going on, the fairing kit, I had to cancel it and get a refund because it's for the American version. Now, there shouldn't really be any difference, but apparently the bolt holes are different where they line up, and I was like, I'll just get a UK version, so it might take a little bit longer, and plus I need the money back. Just because with work at the minute, we've not really got a proper job. And obviously we're going for that interview tomorrow, and once we get that job, we should be on £35,000 a year, which is very good. That's why I'm going a 40-minute travel away for work, and then it also increases to 43,000 after that, so I'll be actually loaded, and I'll be making sure this content gets absolutely peaks out, because more money, better bikes, and a lot more fun. Oh shit, I didn't realise. Oh shit, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't realise that car was parked like that. Jesus Christ. Oh, I didn't realise that car was waiting. I feel so bad. Alright, so we got a drink, and now let's get to the cliff tops so we can watch the solar eclipse, which should be happening. It should be starting in about 15 minutes, but they say it'll peak in about an hour, so we'll see about that. We're going to use our phone to try and see through the solar eclipse because I don't have any like glasses or anything, so we'll see what happens with that. Oh, my glove's not done. There we are. Safety first, guys, especially when you're on two wheels. Okay, definitely gonna have to put my visor down for these roads because it's gonna get windy, and it's a lot faster too. Sensational. Finally on 260 right, so now we can speed up. Hope the wind noise isn't too bad for you guys. It always usually is. But you know, what can we do? Tractor! Choo-choo! Oh, the worst bit ever. This literally lifts your wheel up. Oh! Got a feeling if everyone is going down here, it's going to be very bloody busy. I mean, very busy. So we'll see. We should be able to find a parking spot because usually there is a spot for bikes only. So we'll see how that works. Everybody, yeah. Where's the sun? Oh, it's over there. I don't know if this is actually going to be such a good spot now I think about it. Ah, it's the sun. You can see it from everywhere. What am I talking about? I wonder if I could see. I could actually kind of see it better with my visor down, but Jesus Christ, it's still going to blind me. Honestly, guys, if you are watching this solar eclipse, please be careful. Even though I'm saying this and the video will be posted after the solar eclipse, still be careful, guys, because honestly, it can generally blind you. Now, obviously, it's not going to blind you instantly, but if you just dead stare at it non-stop, then yeah, it's going to cause some issues for you guys. It's definitely going to be issues with my blue eyes as well. There's a fair bit of people. It is some holidays. God, I hate this engine ticking noise. I might be cheeky and just go through there. I might just be cheeky and go through here real quick. That's it, but I can see the solar eclipse through my tinted windscreen. That's why you should get tinted windscreen, guys. But if I can set the camera angle right, maybe you can see it. There we are, you can see it a little bit, but it is literally about 90% right now. It's crazy much. As you can see, that little blue reflecting thing, that's the solar eclipse.
Yeah.
Alright man, have a safe trip back, yeah? Alright, see you in a bit. And that was the solar eclipse. As you can still see, it's still going on. It's just passing by the sun now, but we got probably about, I want to say that was like 88%, 90%. You could see though that the moon was too small from this angle, so it never covered the sun fully. But hey, that's my first ever solar eclipse witnessing. We met a great guy called Steve over there. Bless his little cotton socks. Pushing 74 years old and still riding, and he said he'll ride till the day he dies, so it's very nice. I feel like I'm half blind because all I've been doing is looking at the sun, and I was looking at the solar eclipse through here, this tinted windscreen. It worked perfectly once the solar eclipse was actually happening, and right now you can see all the colours, like the colour of the world right now looks washed. That's because it's still obviously passing through the sun, so it'll probably clear off by the time we get home. But yeah, what an absolute sighting. That was very awesome. I can't wait to see the professionals post their pictures online, and I'll also show it to you guys as well once I get the pictures. So hopefully when this video is posted, I'll have them and you guys will be able to see it on this video. So if they are, they'll be on screen now. Hopefully I've got lucky enough to give you that, guys. If you guys want to see my pictures and some videos I made, check out my Instagram. Link is in description, or QR code is on screen. I've also just started selling merch, so if you guys want to check that down, there'll be a link in description, or you can go to my channel page and go to store and you'll see my merch there. I only got 2 t-shirts available in a minute. One's the cheaper one, one's the more expensive one, because I wanted to make a cheap option for you guys, because it is expensive to actually get this merch going, because I use print on demand, so obviously the expense is quite high for me, so it's hard to make cheap merch, but hopefully I've made it cheap enough for you guys. And if you want a 10% discount code, use first release at checkout to get 10% off, which will basically make it free shipping. Oh yeah, I forgot it's this. This is a 60 road, I'm going 30. Ooh. Didn't see how slow that car was going. Holy. Oh, my mirrors need fixing. But yeah, let me know how you guys think to this ultra wide POV with a little bit more shake. There's no stabilization on right now. It's literally it's max wideness settings with the standard lens and no stabilization. So I'm not sure if it's going to hurt your eyes watching this video, but it's something to test out. Ooh, slow down for 30 miles per hour. I am starving now though. I could do with spoons. Have y'all got Wetherspoons? Of course you got Wetherspoons. Wetherspoons are everywhere. It's like the better version of McDonald's. Bam, 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 bam. Unfortunately, Elise, aka my girlfriend, is working, so she's really jealous that she didn't get to see this. I'll send her the best photos I took. She'll probably laugh at me, because they're so crap, these pictures. It's literal pixels basically. But hey, I tried my best. The iPhone 12 did it the best it can. The iPhone 12 did the best it can. That's a nice bike. That is very nice actually. Oh, but not my type of colour. I don't like grey like that. Like, it's a boring type of grey. Oh my god, this grandma's going so slow. I'd like to speed up a little bit. Thank you. I appreciate that. I think she heard me. She must have. God, that sun's bright, even when it's like half covered. But I can see the colours slowly starting to come back again. So that was very nice. And I can't wait for the little ride I'm going to have tomorrow in 33 degrees weather. Hopefully no wind, to go to my interview. Try to see if I can see it with my visor. I can a little bit. Still hurts, but you can actually look at the sun directly when it's in this state, because it's not that bright, but it still is that bright. Just don't go blind, guys. I need you to watch my videos. There's no point listening to me. I just waffle a lot, and I feel like my voice just sounds really annoying sometimes. So I do apologise, guys and ladies. Bike popped then. I was really happy with that. Still very windy though. Gonna aim to make this video at least like 10-15 minutes long, just because I don't want to make too much of a boring video for you guys. I don't really do much on these ride outs anymore, so because there's only so much you can do. That's why I want the rebuilds to happen. So I'm looking, once I get this new job, after at least 2 months, I'll have a good amount saved up, and my first proper project. I actually want it to be a decent car. Something I can buy for like 1 or 2 grand. So even like a Porsche Boxer or something like that. Something crashed, something not too advanced to fix up. So I can build up my skills. Because at the minute I don't really have much skills as far as goes. Because a motorbike, I mean, it's all Allen keys basically. That's all it is. Yeah, now and then they round off. You'll see that with the Jigsaw video. There's a lot of rounded off Allen keys. Thanks to the previous owner. Hope my camera's looking okay. Yeah, it's fine. Camera's sorted. Ooh, there's like a oil spill. Good thing I didn't send it on that corner and try and like maximum lean angle. That would have been terrific. I'm going to do a lap through town, I think, but we might do the rest of it off camera because honestly, I don't think anything else interesting is going to happen. But I just wanted to enjoy and go and see the solar eclipse. I don't have any riding friends at the minute, so it's kind of pretty sad at the minute. All my friends have either left, no friends with me anymore, or they just don't have a bike. So yeah, I'm kind of just on my own now. So if nothing else happens in this ride, then I'm going to say goodbye to you guys now. And obviously, if you don't see this goodbye, then something else is about to happen. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it a lot. I hope you guys had fun seeing the solar eclipse, even though you didn't see it much from me. If you guys saw it in person on my Instagram, please make sure to send me some pictures. I'll be very excited to see what you guys captured and see if you guys got more of a solar eclipse than I did, because I think in some different parts of the UK you might have had slightly more blacked out than we did. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and voila!